I'm doing psychology, guess what the first question is? Like, can you read minds? But that's not the case actually. We actually have no idea what's going on in your head, what you are going through. We can't read minds. Like how statisticians or mathematicians would make sense of numbers, try to find patterns in them. Similarly, we try to find patterns in human behavior and we try to predict their movements accordingly. So all of you must be wondering why, इसका psychology से क्या relation? Like, how is this game that we all played? How is this related to psychology? I'll tell you. I asked you how many moves did you guys make, or how many minutes did you take to sort the puzzle?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when a researcher is conducting research, say on a group, like how I'm doing with you all, I would try to gauge your cognitive abilities or the way your mind functions, the way your brain functions. Basically, how fast you can think and how you can plan, how you can process your information. I can gauge your problem solving ability, reasoning and planning behavior, all of that through this game.
Psychology is a science. Like it is not based on just random opinions of people. It is based on facts. So psychology is a science, and scientifically it has found out ways that in which we can measure even abstract concepts like empathy. Even something as abstract as empathy can be measured. So see how we talk. Psychology is a science. So this is how scientifically they've used methods to measure such concepts. So what psychological tests do, basically they help you evaluate and understand cognitive or emotional functioning. Cognitive functioning, like how we did the Tower of Hanoi. It measured your cognitive abilities, like how fast you can think, or what are the ways in which you think to solve a problem. And emotional functioning is basically like empathy, how much empathy you have, or are you someone who lacks empathy. So it's a measurement device that is used to quantify behavior. That is, we give it a numerical value. Main thing about psychological test is that if you can measure something, what makes you think you can't improve it? There are, the whole purpose of somewhere counseling psychology is to use such tests and to understand people, whether they have, for example, empathy, whether someone has empathy or not. And then if they lack it, to help them develop empathy in ways which is going to be helpful for them. Study the same topic from different viewpoints of different disciplines. For example, here we saw psychology. Empathy is a variable of psychology, but we studied it with the help of statistics as well. So now here you got to know about psychology as well as statistics.